I'm so nervous right now, guys. This is crazy. This bike hasn't been started in the past 24 years. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ant. You guys already know what it is. I'm back again. We're out here late night. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's like 12 a.m. and I've been out here working on this bike, put its back together. I've had this bike for about a month or so and been working on it at the work every day. It's been really difficult. My freaking hands are bleeding. I'm full of dirt and grease and WD-40 and everything in the fluid book, but I got it put back together. Let's go over a quick rundown on everything I've did since I got it. So as y'all can see, it's sparkling off the rip. I tried to clean it up as best as I can. I haven't did a final polish on it or wax on it or anything like that, so stay tuned for that. After me completely cleaning it up pretty much, I got a new air filter in there. Behind that air filter, I pulled the carb out, checked the inside of it. It looked immaculate, so I just cleaned it out real good with some carb cleaner, put it back together. Carburetor's put back together with the new air filter on top of it. I ordered a new battery, so that's a brand spanking new battery in there. I finally got some new tires put on. I ordered some little Shinko tires, some nice little beginner tires, and they look really good. Brand new chain down there with brand new rear sprockets. Insert all of them pictures right here, along with that front sprocket under there, which you guys can't see, is brand new. So brand new chain, brand new sprockets, brand new battery, brand new air filter. I pulled this petcock down and the gasket on top of the petcock between the gas tank was rotted. I got a new gasket for the petcock, and as y'all can see, this hardware, that field line hardware, looks brand new. I had to go pick up a new 5/16 field line today. They sell it by the foot of AutoZone, so the 1 foot piece literally fit perfect from the petcock all the way over to the carburetor. So I'm happy about that purchase right there, and I feel a lot safer than that old dry rotted one. I didn't check the spark plugs yet. I don't think I have to, considering the bike only has 500 miles on it. So I haven't pulled the spark plugs since they got them like really funky right up underneath the frame. So if I have to, I will, but I haven't pulled them yet. I got new keys. I had to take the ignition out and take it to a locksmith. So I finally got keys for the bike, which allows me to not only start the bike, it gives me access to both glove boxes on both sides of it, and those keys give me access inside the gas tank. Now I just went to the gas station late at night and picked up some 91 fuel because I do got some 87 over there, but the manual says that it wants to take some 91, so she's gonna get the proper fuel that she needs. I replaced the brake fluid on it because it needed new brake fluid. The rear drum brakes looked amazing, so I didn't change those. I literally had to take the exhaust off. I had to take this entire bike down and strip it, and it's been sitting naked for a while. It was on jack stands and everything, so it's finally sitting on its own weight. I can finally feel what the weight of the bike feels like. It's 800. It's a pretty big bike. It's pretty heavy for a cruiser, of course. Considering the fact that this is my first motorcycle, I do come from riding scooters, so I gotta get used to the weight of it and all of that fun stuff. But I put brand new coolant in there. I went to Kawasaki and got the coolant they specified in the manual, so filled that baby up with brand new coolant. I cleaned out the coolant reservoir right there because it was freaking gunked up and fouled up, so I cleaned that up and restored it, put that back together. A couple of quirks about it right now. I gotta get rear turning signals, so that's on the agenda. As far as the headlights, they look brand spanking new, but this one is kind of gunked up and it won't even allow me to seal it back. So we're gonna have to get some new of those unless I just take those off and convert it to the one. We'll see how I feel about that. The rotor didn't look too bad. The caliper looked pretty good and the brakes looked pretty good, so I just put those back on as is. I torqued everything down, and I think I'm ready to try to fire this up. This bike hasn't been started in the past 24 24 years. We're just gonna round it up to 25 years. And it's been sitting in the garage waiting for me to stumble upon it and put some love into it. So I put a lot of blood and tears and time into this before I even wanted to pull the trigger and try to start it. And I think it's about that time, guys. So I know y'all tired of me talking. Let me go ahead and put some gas in this baby, put the keys in, open the garage up, and see what she does. I got the oldest gas can ever, so I can still smell that old gas and it reeks. Not gonna fill it up. I'm nervous. I'm super nervous. I'm so nervous right now, guys. This is crazy. Put this key in. Got neutral. We got the field petcock on prime. Choke out. Fuck. Put it back on. Let me check. Make sure I don't have any leaks right now. I don't want to flood it out. Put it on reserve because I already put a little bit of gas in it. Come on, baby. Let me give it a little break. It started. It started. Let me give it a little break. You know, I smell it. It fired. Choke out. Woo! Woo! It's all choke right now. Come on, baby, wake up. I know it's been 20 years. Leave the choke out for a little bit. y'all hear how good that sounds? Look at the headlight. Smoking a little bit. Got the choke in right now, so it's running. It's waking up. I'm gonna roll it outside. This bike is so heavy. You guys already know what it is. We don't play no games over here on Ants Machines and things, baby. This baby's running right now after 25 years of sitting in the garage. Do you hear it? Like a dang on sewing machine. I gotta see if it'll go into gear at least. I don't really have any brakes like that right now. Go ahead and take my butt inside, y'all. This baby running. I got to do some tuning and adjusting everything in the morning. As soon as the sun comes out, I'm gonna be out here tomorrow, guys. I'm so freaking excited about this. I can't believe that this bike is running right now. For all of you that are new here, my name is Anthony Han, and this is my YouTube channel, Ants Machines and Things, baby. I got a lot of machines, trust me, and I do a lot of things to just make me happy. One of them is riding on 2 wheels, and this is about to take me on to a whole different chapter of my life. Please make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the video, baby. I'm on the way to 100 subscribers right now. And comment down below any advice you guys got on this bike. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's the first good beginner bike. I got a whole bunch of videos coming, baby, so stay up with me, baby. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next video, baby.